Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. If you have potatoes and flour at home, you are just a few steps away from an incredibly crispy snack. Today's Aloo Atta Nashta looks fancy, tastes amazing. The twisted shape makes it extra crunchy, while the spiced potato filling brings loaded of flavor. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, combine 1 cup flour, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix until the flour becomes slightly crumbly. Kalonji adds a unique aroma that's often used in bakery-style snacks. Gradually add 1/3 cup water and make a smooth dough. Apply little oil on the top and let it rest. For the filling, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix everything thoroughly. You can add 1 tablespoon corn flour for better binding. Mix the filling well so the spices distribute evenly. Take 1 portion of dough and roll it into a thin sheet. Roll the dough thin for a crisp texture. Spread the potato mixture evenly. Potato fillings are loved across many cuisines. Cover with another rolled roti. Press gently and cut into long strips. Twist each strip and shape as shown. Heat oil over medium flame. Carefully drop the prepared twist into the oil. Fry on medium heat to ensure the layers cook properly. Twisted snacks are popular because they become crispier than flat pastries. Preparing snacks at home helps avoid unnecessary additives. Fry until they turn beautifully golden and wonderfully crisp. Potatoes provide energy and make snacks more satisfying. Homemade recipes allow better ingredient control. Fresh spices enhance flavors naturally. Your crispy Aloo Atta Nashta is ready. Crunchy outside, flavorful inside, and perfect with a cup of tea. Follow an oven cake and cookies for more creative snacks, tea time treats, and easy homemade recipes.